It's one of 6 states that makes you wait to get married within 6 months of your divorce. Lawmakers are now trying to change this. Tom Durian talked with a couple tonight who had to put a pause on their love because of the law. Tom?
Steve, it's really something that most people hope they never have to deal with. But with the divorce rate around 40 to 50% in this country, it is bound to affect someone. Did it affect anything or?
Well, no, other than we had to wait 6 months to get married.
Third time is a charm for Nova Schultz. She's very familiar with Wisconsin's divorce and marriage laws. So did you know about the law before, or you kind of figured it out as you went through it?
Nope, I knew about it.
Currently, Wisconsin and 5 other states prohibit someone from getting remarried after a divorce for at least 6 months. And really, it's 10. After filing for a divorce, a cooling off period states the earliest it can be final is 4 months. The 6-month period doesn't start until then.
So that's part of the logic with eliminating the 6 month is you have to wait a minimum of 4 months from the time you file divorce to get divorced anyway.
Divorce attorney David Yanku says the issue does come up. Warnings are in some paperwork for marriages and divorce, but not all and not everywhere.
It actually applies to people even if they're not married in the state. So they could be married anywhere and then come here and it could be a problem.
Most people don't know it exists. Unless you've been divorced, or even if you've been divorced, you may not know it exists unless for some reason you were trying to get remarried.
Pewaukee Representative Cindi Duchow authored legislation to eliminate the waiting period.
There's no statistical evidence to prove either way that a waiting period helps or doesn't help. Oklahoma has 6 months and they have one of the highest, and Iowa has no waiting period and they have one of the lowest.
For Nova and Brad, despite the inconvenience in their plans, they both support keeping the law.
I think it's a good deal. Yeah, it's a good law.
Make people think twice before?
You think twice. You just got out of a divorce. You should wait a little bit at least, I would think.
Well, there have been others opposed to the change. The Wisconsin Family Action Group says it could lead to more divorces and hurt the children that are involved. The legislation has passed through committee and is expected to be in front of a full assembly this month. The last time this happened, though, the bill did die in the Senate.